Welcome back to another video style crew. If you're new here, I am Rio. In today's video, I have for you my EDC, which is my everyday carry, which I am bringing for you guys. I mean, that didn't really rhyme, but you know, whatever. I've been working from home and haven't really been out of the house as much as I usually have been this past summer. But whenever I leave the house, there are some things, there are core items that I have to have every single day I leave. Laid out in front of me are those core items. You can't see it, but it's right in front of me. And I'm going to go through every single one of these pieces and tell you why it's essential to me and why I carry it every single day. First up, phone. We all carry a phone. We all carry smartphones. For all of us, it's a cornerstone of how we operate. Now my phone, I mentioned this a long time ago, it's a very old iPhone. I am rocking the iPhone 7 Plus, which I've had for probably 3.5 years now. I need to get a new phone. This phone has a lot of issues, a lot of complications, but I just didn't like the new things that Apple did with the iPhone last year, so I chose not to get it. And seeing the new one that's gonna be coming out, they're kind of keeping things the same. So I gotta just do what I gotta do and get a new phone, which I'll probably be doing when the iPhone, what are we on, 12? 11? It doesn't really matter. When a new iPhone comes out, I will go ahead and get it because your boy needs a new phone, badly. Next up, have my watch. This is the Apple Watch, which has become my everyday watch. I do have other watches. I have quite a bit of watches actually. I've been getting into watches quite a bit these past couple years, and most of my watches are fashion watches. I'm not going to front, make it seem like I got some prestige watches in my collection, but even with having as many watches as I do, I don't wear them enough. This is mainly what I wear. My Apple Watch is a Series 3. Again, it's old. I have a lot of out-of-date stuff, and I used to be that person that used to run and get the new thing as soon as it came out. And then as I've gotten older, I just realized that didn't really matter as much. Having money, being able to take care of your responsibilities, having money to do things that you want to do, that's what matters the most. The reason why I like wearing an Apple Watch is because it allows for you to see all your day-to-day things. You can see how many steps you've taken that day. If you're exercising, you work out, you can see how many exercise minutes you got in that day. It allows for you to kind of stay connected when you're not really connected. If your phone is not with you, you have the ability to still be in touch. And that's one thing I like about it. Next up, we have my wallet. Of course, you have to have your wallet when you leave the house so you can actually afford things. My wallet is by Ridge Wallet, which is actually today's sponsor of this video. Interestingly enough, I purchased this wallet, this exact wallet I have right here, back in January or February. And then fast forward several months later, they reached out to me wanting to send some products my way for me to showcase to you guys. It was one of those collaborations that was such an easy yes because I already owned the product and had bought into it myself. One of the reasons why I decided to buy this slim and compact wallet is because I wanted to have the ability to carry more cards. I have a few credit cards that I've been using in my rotation just for points and whatnot, and I don't really carry cash that often, and it's very rare that I have this much cash on me. Cards is mainly how I operate. So I have my debit card, 2 Chase credit cards, I think maybe my credit union card, what else is in here? Costco membership card, Speedway card, and my ID. So those are the things that I have in here. It can carry up to 12 cards. The slim compact design is what really attracted me the most to it. The one I purchased is the carbon fiber colorway. I guess this is considered a colorway, right? Or the carbon fiber model, maybe, I'm not entirely sure. But I bought that one because it's all black and the carbon fiber is almost indestructible. And I have a money clip. You can also get a money strap, which I will have pictures on the screen for you. I like the money clip better, so that's why I got that one. The Ridge wallet is RFID blocking, so no one can hack your cards and go on a shopping spree. And they're also backed with a lifetime warranty. So if something were to happen, you can easily replace your wallet. If you have a car, you probably have keys. Not even a car, if you live somewhere, you probably have keys in order to get into your home. So we all carry keys. I have my car keys, which I keep on a separate keychain, And then I have my other keys, which is my P.O. Box key, a key to my goddad's house, and then a key to my house. I also have a Giant Eagle card, which I don't shop at Giant Eagle, so I don't know why I have that. Walgreens card, which I haven't been there in a long time. I have a Big Lots card, again, haven't been there forever. And then a Kroger Plus card. So that's what's on my keychains. As you see, when these things go inside of pockets, it is a mess. Having these amount of things in my pockets is, it's hideous. It doesn't look good. It doesn't even feel good. Weighing down your pockets is never a good thing. What I've been getting into is some kind of bag, either a tote bag, a shoulder bag, cross-body bag. I'm not really into the whole fanny pack look. I've been kind of, I don't know how I feel about that one. It's just not for me, at least I don't think it is. But I found this bag. I found this bag on Amazon, which is just a black crossbody bag. Usually I would carry a backpack, and I've carried a backpack for a very long time, but I got tired of this, just having something strapped to my shoulders, or not even both. I never put the backpack. Don't put the backpack over both shoulders. This one shoulder is the way to go. Don't do both. But I got tired of carrying backpacks all the time. So I just, got into this, and I've only had it for a couple weeks, but I like it. And I wanted to go cheap. You always go, I guess cheap isn't a good word. Cheap is not a word you want to use. You want to go affordable, especially when you're branching out and trying something new, to see how you're gonna like it. And then once you realize if you like it or not, you can then go and spend more money on a more of a quality option. I do want to get more of like maybe a better messenger bag or something, but I've been looking, but I haven't been able to find some really good quality options and alternatives. So if you guys are familiar with anything that I should know about, let me know down in the comments section, and just educate me and give me some game on the other options that you can get. These things now come out of my pockets and then go into the bags, and it makes life amazing where all these things aren't in your pockets. Next up, I have my AirPods. I carry these things every single day, and it's at a point right now where I don't really use my phone unless I have my AirPods, and that's a whole nother reason, which is an issue with my phone. My AirPods are also old. This is the first generation that I've got in 2017, maybe. Aside from that, they're still great. I use them every single day, and I couldn't even imagine using anything else. Those are my essentials. Those are the things that I must have every single day, no matter what. Those are the things that I've carried for quite a while, and I guess for the past 3 years. Next up, we have, I guess, the rest of my essentials. These are things that if I leave at home, I don't feel a little lost. The other things I kind of, you have to have those. Next up, I have Burt's Bees Lip Balm. You probably can't see it. Where's my focus? It's on my face. Burt's Bees Lip Balm. I can't stand having chapped and crusty lips. It just doesn't work for me. As of right now, like I'm talking, I've been doing all this talking, and lips kind of get a little dry. So sometimes between these shots, I stop, put a little bit on, and then I continue. Usually you guys never know because you can't tell, you can't see me do it, but I have to have that every single day. In my pockets, and it's always in my left pocket. It's always a must. What I also carry every single day, and I don't like leaving the house without it, is some kind of breath refreshener. This is a peppermint drop by a brand called Sweet Breath. I don't know if they make this anymore. I've had these for a long time. I don't know how I came across the first one that I had, but I used it, liked it a whole lot, and bought a big bundle of it, which I've had for the past couple years. It takes me about maybe a few months to go through one of these. So I'm almost at the end of my bundle, and I looked to see if I could find another bundle on Amazon, and I couldn't find it. So I don't know if they make it anymore. So I'm gonna have to find a different alternative. But just like the lip balm, this always goes into my left pocket. One of my pet peeves is someone who has foul smelling breath. I know I'm not the only one who that bothers. And for me, sometimes you may eat something and you can kind of feel how it's making your mouth and your breath feel. And that makes you feel a little uncomfortable. So I always have that just in case. Next up, I have another essential. So I guess this should have been a little bit earlier in my everyday carries. This is something that all of us need to carry during these troubling times, and that is a mask. This one, it's not branded. I didn't buy it from anywhere. I think I maybe got it on And no, this one that was actually given to me has a little filter thing on the side, and I actually have a filter inside of it that you can see just to filter away from some of those germs and the viruses out there. It is washable, and I do have extra filters as well. So it goes on your face, hooks on. I like the little white detailing right there on the side. And yeah, it's, you know, it's an everyday essential. You really can't leave your house without one of those these days, so I have those in my bag. Next up, I have another option that goes in the category of dental care, which is floss. I floss every single day, and I carry floss with me every single day. I know that one's a little out of the box, a little unorthodox, but the reason why I carry floss is because you never know where you're gonna be. You never know where you're gonna be eating. You never know what you may be eating that day. And this happened to me a lot, is why I carry floss, but you've ever been out, you have something to eat, and then whatever you ate is just sitting in your teeth, you can feel it, and it's just bothering you. And you're left there with a straw or a toothpick, or you have something you're trying to get it out of your teeth because it's just becoming an absolute annoyance. It happened to me so often that I decided to just buy floss and carry it with me every single day. Lastly, I carry this pouch right here. Inside this pouch, you guys probably gonna make fun of me for this one. Inside this pouch is grooming materials. It's a men's grooming kit that I found at Walmart a very, very long time ago. And inside here, there is a nail clipper, which is mainly what I use it for the most. You also have these tongs. I don't know if this happens to most men out there, but men with beards. You may be with me with this one, you may be against me with this one, but you ever had that piece of hair in your beard that's just bothering you? You kind of don't know what to do about it, and it gives you that very weird feeling. Maybe it's like a thick piece of hair, or maybe an ingrown piece of hair, and you just want to get it out. That's where this comes in at. There's a little mirror in there. So usually if that happens to me, I pull this out and I get that piece of hair out. Then there's also a little piece of scissors, there's a small, why I keep calling it a piece? There's a small pair of scissors. I don't know why I kept saying piece. Nail file. I really don't use that often. My nails are always really short. Small little comb. Again, I don't really use that often. I mainly use this kit for the nail clippers. But there you go, that covers my everyday carry, the things that I carry on a daily basis, what I keep in my pockets, what I keep in my bag. Again, let me know what other bag options, bag alternatives are out there. I'm looking for something, I kind of would like it to be leather, but it doesn't have to be. Like this one isn't leather. I think it's like a nylon or something like that. It doesn't have to be leather. But I would really like to know what's out there. Probably would want it to be black, but I'm not opposed to even having a brown option. So like having a black and a brown is always a really good way to go. So I may want to get both, but black would be the number one choice. So let me know what are some options down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Rich Wallet for sponsoring this video. If you're new here and you watch the videos but you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button, man. Look out for your boy, help your boy out. And while doing that, make sure you turn on your post notifications. I've been putting this on the screen a lot lately, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna put it here. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. When you have those turned on, you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. You'll see 3 different options. You're gonna see all, which that's the one you should select. So when I upload, every single upload that I post, you're gonna get notified and it's gonna tell you that I uploaded a video. There's also an option that says personalized. Now what that means is you're gonna get those sometimes. So if you wanna see my content when it goes up, make sure it's on all. And even if it's something that you're not gonna watch right away, but you like to know that I posted something, make sure you set it to all so you're gonna be notified. Because a lot of you have been saying you're not seeing my videos, they're not being recommended. You can change that. You can fix that as a viewer by hitting the notification button. And then the last option is none. That means you're not even on, so why bother? So make sure you put them on all so you'll be notified. That covers this video. Let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, I showed it, but I didn't really ask for your opinion on it. I like it. I've got a couple weird looks while carrying it. Is it too big? I don't know. I actually like it. I'd rather this than a fanny pack because I do have quite a bit of things that I carry, but give me your opinion down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Peace.